Welcome back one more time to the Crypto Equalizer, my YouTube channel where I keep you all the time informed about all the news, new bots, new stuff, and new ways how you can be profitable on a daily basis and how you don't lose your money. Okay, so in this video I would like to talk a little bit more about simple strategies that you can use as a beginner in the trading and how you can use it and make the money on the easy and simple way. Okay, without any further ado, before we start, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button so you will be informed every time I make a new video, which will help you, I hope, that you can be profitable. Okay, so let's keep going. Okay, here we have a trading view. We have a chart, Bitcoin USDT. So this is a daily time frame. So guys, I'm gonna try to simplify and I'm gonna speed up as much as I can so you don't waste your time. And I would like just for you to understand how this strategy works. Okay, so if you are wondering when is good time to buy, how I'm gonna trade, how I can make the money, I realize that long term you can make the money, but also in the short period of time you can make trades and you can make money also. So what does it mean? It's like a day trading. It's a swing trades. It's a different type. So we are using the smaller time frames. So it means the candles will be 5 to 15 minutes each candle. Okay. So here we have a trading view and we have a chart of the Bitcoin and it's on the daily. This is the daily chart. Okay. So the first thing you need to do, you're gonna take the big time frame, like a day, 4 hours or 1 hour, and you need to put your lines. It means where are the supports, where the price when it goes down, where it stops, and where the price when it goes up also stops. So you need to find the range, and also one more thing, you need to find the movement. So if the price is going up, if the price is dropping and going down. So here we have a daily time frame. So you're gonna use, let's say, this type of lines, and we can check here the price is usually moving around here. This shows as a support, as you can see, 40,578, and the price is stopping somewhere around here. So it means it has a resistance, very strong resistance. So let's put one more line here like this. As you can see, this is the range where is the Bitcoin moving just now, okay, before it breaks up. We are all hoping that. Okay, so now what we're gonna do, we have our chart and we have everything divided, basically two big movements. So if we put, let's say, 4 hours or 1 hour, we're gonna find more, and we need to put more because of the smaller time frame. As you can see here, in 1 hour, it's in this channel for a long time, as you can see, moving all the way down, slowly going up and bouncing from up. So what we're gonna need now, just let me see. Yeah, very long time is moving between 40 and 57. Okay, so we're gonna shrink this a little bit more. Actually, we're gonna make it in the smaller time frame. So we're gonna use, let's say, 15-minute chart. So each candle is gonna be 15 minutes. Okay, so as you can see how the Bitcoin is moving in 15 minutes. Okay, so he has the movements from 54,000 all the way up to 57, drops again until 54, again he's going up until 56. So now he's ranging in this part somewhere here. Okay, so we are on 15 minutes. So we're gonna pull out some indicators that's gonna show you when is good time to enter in the long or in the short. So in this moment we see and we know that the Bitcoin is in the uptrend, so he is moving up. Okay, so this is the first thing we need to establish and we need to know. Second thing, we're gonna go here to the indicators, and here we're gonna use 3 smoothed moving average, okay, from this guy Hamid Safi. Thanks for him. And you're gonna put the star here, so you're gonna use that all the time. Okay, and it's gonna look something like this. Next thing, again, we go to the indicators and we're gonna go to find RSI, relative strength index. Okay, and here it is. As you can see, we have it here. So most people using wrong this indicator. I mean, for somebody maybe works, for me no. So because I'm using a little bit differently, there's many traders, very experienced traders, that they're using this relative strength index completely different. So the basically is the people are using here when it reach 70%, when the, as you can see here, it's overbought, so people are don't buy anymore here, they are selling. So this is the indicator for somebody that they will sell, and when it hits down, it's gonna bounce up. So when it hits here in the lower on 30%, yeah, it means that he will bounce because it's oversold. Okay, this indicator can be used also in this way. We need to use, and we need to set up first like this. We're gonna put the inputs are okay. The style we're gonna change. We're gonna put, let's say, a yellowish, full color, second thickness. Here the upper band we don't need, but we're gonna need here 50, and this one is gonna be also 50. Okay, here the lines is gonna be full line, here also full line. Color should be white, second thickness. Same with this one, white, second thickness. Sorry guys, because I'm doing this fast, and you can stop the video and when you're making your setups. And as you can see here, we have our RSI and looks something like this. Okay, so we have a white line, it means it's on the 50, it's on a half. We are not looking where is overbought and where is oversold, we are looking this line here. So it means when the price breaks above the 50 and it goes up, that means it's in the uptrend. So it's going to show you this moment here, it's going to show you the momentum where the price is moving in that certain point. And we are using the smaller time frame, the smaller chart of 15 or 5 minutes. So it means that this is really good thing to help us. Okay, as you can see here, we have break, and when it breaks down, it means that it's moving in the downtrend. So it tells us something differently. Okay, now when we know everything about RSI, we're gonna set up the second indicator, and that's 3 smooth moving averages. We're gonna go on the settings, you're gonna use inputs, and here you're gonna put 21, second is gonna be 50, and the third stays 200. Okay, the style is gonna be like this. First one, 21, is gonna be white, full color, and make it second thickness. Second one is gonna be also green, full color, second thickness. Third stays red, full color, second thickness, and you press OK, and now you have your chart ready for you. Okay, so one of the simplest strategy, and I'm using that all the time, and it shows really good and really nice. One more time, before you start trading, before you do anything, make sure you need to check your risk management. So you need to always put the stop loss, always put the stop loss, and always put the stop loss. Okay, so I'm gonna show you just in a second. So as you can see, price is moving here above the 3 lines. Okay, also the RSI is above the 50, so this is a good thing that you are already, shows you that you are in the uptrend. And as you can see here, it bounced from 21 and keeps going up. Okay, so what do we know? In the previous one, the beginning of the video, we make 2 lines. We make one here where it hits and it stops, so it gets rejected all the time. Okay, and also we have down one more, and it's far away, where it's also hitting, and actually it shows the support. Okay, so we have a range where the price is moving at the moment. Okay, so also as you can see here, this was the signal, this was a good signal to enter. So what do we have here? Let me show you now like this. Okay, the white crosses the green, but not completely, and you see everything is down here under, and here crosses again. So as you can see here, this is the good entry point. Okay, so what do we have here? We have price is moving up, so it's pulling back up, we have the crossing of the two lines. 21 supposed to be up, the next one is 50, the green, and the 200 is all the way down. Okay, so we have one more thing here, and you can see it. The RSI shows that it's above 50, so it means even a little bit that he is above this line, the white line, it's good. That's a signal. So it shows you one signal. As you can see here, the lines are lined up. So the white is first, second is green, and the third is red. It means this is good to go, that you can enter in the long position. Okay, so here should be a long position. Just a second. Right here. Okay, so what do we have next? We have prices moving up, slightly consolidating, retesting the 21 moving average, as you can see here, and keeps going up. So if you keep it all this time here, you will be very profitable. So you would have a really good. Oh, we have now the price. Let me see. Yeah, the price is moving up. Okay, so let's do the live example here. So we had the price moving down, stops at 200 moving average. In the meantime, we have 21 moving average is crossing the green, the 50, and it's under. So this is not a signal to enter, but we are expecting the bounce. Bounce should happen, and it happened, almost touch the 200. So as you can see, and the price action is going up. So if they're not lined up, so they're not white, green, and red, you're not entering in the long. If it's opposite, let me show you something like, let me see where is the price. I need to go on 1 hour, and I want to show you also that when you are entering in the short position, when and where you are entering the short position. Okay, here we are. This is a great and perfect time to show you that. So here we have a price is moving sideways. Okay, so it means it goes on the side, doesn't go up, doesn't go down, so it's consolidating. After the consolidation, we have here the white line crosses, and they're very tight. When you see the lines are very tight, like this one for example, and they're crossing all the time, it means that price is consolidating and the breakout will come. Depends on which side is going to come. So here it happens, the white goes down across the green and the red, and it's lined up. So this was the signal to enter, just around here. Okay, so what we have here also, let's see, in this specific time we have the RSI is under, as you can see here, he is under the white line, so it means the signal is good. It's down from the downside. We have here crossing the lines and they're lining up, so it means white is down, green is next, and the red is on top. So this is the clean signal that you can enter in the short position, and only in this moment you can enter in the short position. Okay, so this is the signal to enter in the short. So what we are waiting for the next time, if you miss this in any case, okay, you need to wait for the pullback. The pullbacks are, I think, also the good one, the best one. So as you can see, it stopped here, it hits here in the support, and it bounces. So it doesn't mean it's going to bounce directly through all of these three. So you're entering all the time in the short. Here we had a signal, as you can see. The RSI shows it's under 50. The lines are lined up. We are expecting to bounce from this area here, and it just bounced here. So this was one entry point. We had here one more entry point where it's testing the 21 EMA until here, and after that he tested a 50 and keep going up, and one more time here, and he failed and he go back down to support, as you can see here. So all this time when the lines are like this, you have the white down, you have the green, and on top you have a red one. RSI is down, you're entering in the short. So One more time, we have here entry point, and this should be our take profit, okay? The support, the big support from the big time frame, okay? So as you can see, it keeps going down and you could take all these trades. So here we had also a signal, everything is down, the lines are lined up, it's retesting the 21 and bounce down and bounce here and bounce and hits the support. So every time it hits this place here, let me choose this something else. Never mind. Okay. So every time, like I said, it hits here, this is the take profit. Okay. So you are taking the profit right here, and all this time, this is in the 1 hour time frame now. So every time it happens something like this, you could take the profit. Okay. So as you can see here, we had here take profit, take profit, take profit, take profit. Okay. So as we are going, keep going, the price is still, as you can see, consolidating here. This is the consolidation, and here we had a breakout. Okay. RSI shows that it's above 50. We're having this signal here, and here they're crossing actually here. You miss this one, retesting. So it goes from here until here, stops in the 200 moving, goes back, but you see here they're crossing. So this is the great time for the scalping. Okay. So you're entering here, and this should be your entry point. RSI is above 50. We have white crossing the green, so that's a great, and big chances that it will cross the 200, and it happens. So doesn't need to all the time to all three be together. Okay, sometimes you're gonna have two signals, sometimes it's gonna line up everything. So you have here and this point here that the lines are crossing right here. Okay, so when they're crossing, we need to check first all the time the RSI. Okay, so let me just make it a little bit better for you to see. As you can see, RSI is above the white line here. Here, all this time he is above the white line. So it means, shows you the momentum that he wants to go up. He will go up, and he go here, as you can see. So it means that when you see the RSI is above 50, and we have also here the crossing of these two, we have the 21 is crossing the 50 and keeps going up. This is entry point for you for the long position. So you should enter, for example, right here, and take your profits all the way up. As you can see, the price is going and looking for the previous resistance and finds here. Okay, so guys, I really hope that you enjoyed in this video. I really hope you find this very useful. This time without music, like I said in the previous video. If you don't like, I'm not gonna make it. So if you're still here with me and following what I'm talking now, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you will be informed all the time when I make a new video and something new and useful for you, of course, to make your day and to make your trades profitable. Okay, thanks again for being here with me, guys.